Good morning. I, Purnima, welcome you to the class, and we are going to revise the same poem, Macavity, the Mystery Cat, written by a very famous poet, T.S. Eliot. So this poem is written by T.S. Eliot. He was from England, a very famous poet. He has written a very famous poem, The Wasteland, also. Now, children, let me give you some important tips about Macavity. So first of all, let me tell you who is Macavity. Macavity is a mystery cat. So Macavity is a cat, and he is the master criminal. That cat is not an ordinary cat. He is the master criminal, and he can go to any limit to break the law. He doesn't care for the law, and he can go to any limit to break the law. He children disobey the law and he breaks the law. When the police forces and flying squad of England, children, they come to him, they could not find him anywhere. Even they failed to arrest him. Even the police of Scotland Yard, children, Scotland Yard, just like in India we are having CBI, okay, very competent policemen are here. Similarly, the policemen of Scotland Yard, even they are not able to, children, arrest the cat. He gives a slip to them. He escapes from them without leaving any clue to the crime, without giving any proof to the crime. When the police reach the scene of crime, it is too late. So when the police reach there, it is too late. The criminal by that time is gone. So the criminal is gone. Children, Macavity is a matchless in his field. Macavity is a matchless in his field. He can do any impossible task. Whatever task, children, you will give it to him, hard, any task. It was the main children character of Macavity, that he used to complete that task, whether good or bad. So he can disappear anywhere after committing crime. He can leave no mark of proof. Okay, he can break Newton's law of gravity and float in the air without support. Even the fakir and the magicians are surprised to see his feats. He will outwit you. You may look for him in the basement and in the air. You will have no access to him. Macavity is a tall and thin cat. His eyes are sunken and his head is lined. His head is round like a dove and keep on moving like a snake. His coat is soiled and his hair is in disorder. It seems that he never cared for his hair or for his furry coat. He looks very shabby. He is only interested in crime and doing all sorts of bad job. His coat is soiled and his hair is in disorder. He moves like a snake. When you think he is sleeping, he is in fact wide awake. So he fools the other also. Macavity is a devil in cat shape. He is morally correct. You can meet him in a lane and in open grounds, but you will not find him where the crime has been committed. So children, this is all about Macavity the cat. Okay, and in the very first stanza, poet has told that he is a mystery cat and he is called the hidden paw because he disobeys the law, he breaks the law. For he is the master criminal who can defy the rule. So children, he is also known as master criminal who breaks the rule, who defy all the rule. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard. So children, what is a Scotland Yard? Scotland Yard is a name given to London's police. Like children, we are having CBI in India. So the London police is also known as Scotland Yard, and they are generally very competent. So even they fail to catch him. Even they are not able to catch him. Even they are baffled, they are puzzled where he has left. He leaves no clue after committing children crime. We all know that he has committed crime, but he leaves no clue. The flying squads disappear. The flying squad is very much disappointed, for when they reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. So children, whenever they reach the scene of crime, they found that McCavity is not there. He had already left the place. Children, the poets call McCavity a master criminal because he is not afraid of any law or police. Okay. When the police reach the scene of crime, they don't find McCavity there. And even the Scotland Yard and the other police department are also baffled and worried. In the second stanza, McCavity has been described that he is such a unique cat that there is no one like McCavity. He is gone to the limit to break all the human law. He has broken all the human law. His power of levitation would make a fakir stare. And when you reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. You may go and see him and find him in the basement. You may look up in the air, but that I tell you once and once again that McCavity is not there. So who is McCavity? McCavity is a master criminal in the shape of a cat. How is he a master criminal? So he has broken all the law of human as well as nature. So he is known as master criminal. And children, McCavity breaks Newton's law of gravity because children, maybe he jumps from one building to another and he breaks all the, he could not, children, he did not, never falls in the ground. So it is told about him that he breaks the Newton's law of gravity. Okay, he floats in the air without any support. The main feature of McCavity is that it is very difficult to trace him. Wherever the crime is done, we all know that it is done by McCavity, but we don't find him at that spot. After the crime, he disappeared. We don't know where he disappeared. Nobody is able to find him. Nobody is able to trace him. Nobody is able to, children, find where he has left. And all the police department, even the Scotland Yard police is baffled. They are very much puzzled. They knew that he is the one who has caused this crime, but they are never able to catch him red-handed. So this is the most children, what to say, it is a very difficult situation to handle him. And children, he levitates in the air What is the meaning of levitation? Levitation means floating in the air, and it is very difficult to trace him. Even children, the magician and the fakirs, when they see him, even they are surprised with how he takes a jump and how he floats in the air. It is more than a magic. Okay, so this was the characteristic of the cat. He was very clever. Now we are doing the third paragraph. Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. Now children, something about the physical appearance of the cat is being discussed here, that Macavity is a ginger cat. So what is the meaning of ginger? Ginger means, children, ginger means what? Ginger is a vegetable. The outer part of the ginger is light brown of color. And if you will cut the ginger into slice, you can see some orangish colors are there inside. So children, Macavity is either of light brown color, that is outside part of the ginger, or maybe it is inside the something like orangish brown of color. So Macavity is known as a ginger cat. He is quite tall and children, very tall and thin. Children, if you will look at Macavity, it is very tall and very thin cat, taller than the normal size cat. You would know him if you saw him, and children, this you will not know the way I am telling you. You will only feel his children this thing when you will see him, that how tall is that cat is. So you can only realize that it is a bit different from other cat, because children, it is a bit taller than the other cat. Now his eyes are sunken in. If you will look at the eyes of Macavity, you can feel that the eyes of Macavity is sunken. It is inside the eyeballs. So it looks as if it is sunken. His brow is deeply lined. If you will see his brow, it is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed. Now children, if you will look at his head, the head is highly domed. Dome is a round shape. Okay, the head is like a dome. Dome is a, children, if you will see the marks, you can see the round portion of the marks is known as dome. So if you will see his head, you will see that it is highly domed. Dome means high and round. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. However smart or however clever is Macavity, but it seems that children, he never cares for himself. He is only smart in doing crimes and hiding from the police, but it seems that he never cares for himself. As children, his coat, the coat is very dusty. Okay, his coat is very dusty. Okay, his whiskers are uncombed, and children, if you will see his whiskers, it is uncombed. So we feels that he never cares for itself. He sways his hand from side to side with movements like a snake. Sways like this. Going here, going there. Here, going there. Have you seen snake, children, how it moves like this? So Macavity head also sways. It moves from here to there, from here to there. It moves like the snake, as if the snake moves. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. And children, when he sleeps, he takes a deep sleeps. So in fact, he don't take a deep sleeps. He is wide awake, he is awakened. Okay, so this is about Macavity. Now children, we will be doing the fourth stanza of this poem. Macavity, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity, but he is a fiend in feline shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, but whence a crime is discovered, that Macavity is not there. So children, first of all we will write the new word meaning. F-I-E-N-D. Fiend means devil. Fiend means devil. What is the other word? Feline. Feline is a cat like. So please note down all the difficult word meaning of the last stanza. Monster means devil. Monster. It means devil. Monster means devil. And then children, depravity, moral corruption. Moral corruption. Depravity is moral corruption. When by street is narrow side land. By street is narrow side land, and then square is roundabout. Discovered is come to notice. Okay, fiend is devil, feline is cat-like, monster is devil, depravity is moral corruption, by street is narrow, side lane, square is roundabout, discovered is notice. Okay, so this is the thing children. Okay, these are some of the new words which you have done. Now I am going to explain about the stanza. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. So here writer is telling that there is no one like Macavity here, for he is a fiend, he is in feline shape. So writer is actually telling about Macavity. He is telling that he is a cat, actually he is a devil in the form of cat. He is a devil, he is a fiend in feline shape, he is a devil in the shape of the cat. Okay, monster is devil, depravity is moral correction, and he is a monster of depravity. That means he is a very corrupt person, morally corrupted person. So he is telling about that cat. It is a morally corrupt person. You may meet him in a by street. He is telling you can meet him in the by street. Okay, in the narrow side land. And you may see him in the square, and next moment you can see him in the square, that is roundabout. But when a crime is discovered, then Macavity is not there. And children, the strangest thing is that you can see in the square, you can see him in the side lane. But really when it is children, a time to know him, when some crime is committed, you can see that Macavity is not there. He is no more there. He is not anymore there. Okay. So he is a friend in first line. He is a friend in feline shape. Friend, that means children, he is a devil in the shape of a cat. Children, the poets say that he can be seen everywhere except when it is a time of the crime. He is not seen anywhere. What is peculiar with him? No one can see him at the place of crime. Though he is actually one, it is assumed by everyone that he is the one who is responsible for the crime. Who wants to catch him? So who wants to catch him? It is the Scotland Yard police department, that means the British police want to catch him. And what does the word fiend means, children? The fiend means here devil. So with this I have completed the poem, and students, we will be doing now the question and answer, textual question and answer. Okay, so first question is, read the first stanza and think, is Macavity a cat really? Of course Macavity is a cat, but it is a very cunning cat. If not, who can Macavity be? If not a cat, he can be an expert thief or criminal or a mysterious creature. So if not, then what it can be? It can be an expert creature or thief. Now children, you have to complete the following sentences. A master criminal is one who evades arrest and escape from the scene of crime. So Macavity is known as master criminal. So actually what it do, it children escapes from the place where the crime has taken place, or it avoids the arrest, okay, and it escapes from the scene of crime. It runs away after committing the crime. He runs away. Nobody can trace him. Nobody can find any clue about him, about Macavity. The Scotland Yard is baffled because it fails to track him. It fails to get any clue related with Macavity. So even Scotland Yard police, they failed. They did not want to take any children. They did not want to get. They did not get any clue about the criminal. Dash, because Macavity moves much faster than that. So children, Flying Biscuit is not able to hold on for him. Okay, because Macavity moves much faster than them. So question number 3, a cat, I'm sure, could walk on a cloud without coming through. So which law is Macavity breaking in the light of the comment above? So children, here Macavity is breaking Newton's law of gravity. It is breaking Newton's law of gravity. What is a law of gravity? When we leave something, it falls to the ground, the earth attracts him. But children, when Macavity is hung in the air, when suppose if she jump from one building to other, so she is still hung in the air. Okay, nobody he can come to the ground only unless she wanted to come. So she is following Newton's law of gravitation. Read stanza 3 and then describe Macavity in 2 or 3 sentences of your own. Macavity is a very cunning and cautious cat. He is tall and thin. His eyes are sunken in. So Macavity is a very cunning and cautious cat. He is tall and thin. His eyes are sunken in. His forehead is wrinkled and his head is dome-like. His coat is soiled, that means very dirty, full of dust. Hair on his cheek is not combed. Okay, so he is looking very shabby. He is looking very shabby. Now question number 5. Say false or true for each of the following statement. Now children, this question answer is related with true and false. Okay, so let's read. Macavity is not an ordinary cat. So this is true. Of course children, it is a mastermind and nobody can trace him, so it is not an ordinary game. So this is very much true. Macavity cannot do what a fakir can easily do. This is false. Macavity has supernatural powers. That is true. Macavity is well dressed, smart and bright. So this is children false. Then fifth one, Macavity is a spy, a trickster and a criminal all rolled in one. So this is true. Now having read the poem, try to guess whether the poet is fond of cat. If so, why does he call Macavity a fiend and monster? The poet admires the cat for his swift movement, expert criminality and the way he gives a slip to the police. But he is a lawbreaker at the same time, so on poets call him a devil or a giant. So poet call him a devil or a giant. Has the poet used exaggeration for a special effect? Find a few examples of it and read this line aloud. So the following statements are example of exaggeration. What is the meaning of exaggeration? To tell something in a very high-fi manner. That is a exaggeration. He is a bafflement of Scotland Yard. Like children, for Macavity, so many exaggeration things are being told here. Like he is the bafflement of Scotland Yard. Scotland Yard is one of the best police department of British all over the world, and Macavity is a Scotland, he is the bafflement of Scotland Yard. That means even the police department are very much worried. They are not able to track him, they are not able to trace him. So lot of exaggeration is there for Macavity. The flying squid's despair. One of the British police department, they are again in despair because they could not find him. His power of levitation. Now children, a cat hanging in the air is next to impossible. He breaks the law of gravity. Okay, so any human being or anything or animal is too difficult to break a law of gravity, but Macavity he can do. A fiend in feline shape and monster of depravity. Macavity is a devil in the shape of a cat. Too much exaggeration is there. But children, we have the poet is highlighting the Macavity. The whole poet is rotating around Macavity only. Well children, some additional question also I am going to do with you. So one of the additional question is that, how does the poet describe Macavity and his pranks? So Macavity was a male cat. He was a clever criminal. It was too difficult to track him. He had no fear of law or the police. He escaped from the scene of crime before the police arrived there. He was tall and thin. He was careless about his clothes and whiskers. He moved like a snake and pretended to be asleep. He was in fact a devil in the shape of a cat. He was wicked and morally corrupt. Okay, so this is all about Macavity. Now children, how does the poet support his statement? There is no one like Macavity. So how this statement is being supported? The poet calls Macavity a master criminal. He could make a good escape before the police came to the scene of crime. He dodged and ditched everybody. Even the Scotland Yard Police Department are having trouble. Even they are worried. He befooled the soldiers and the flying squid. He was an outlaw. He was a master in his field. He was a matchless devil in the shape of a cat. Now, some more question answer and we can discuss in one line, like who is Macavity? So Macavity is a children cat in the form, it's a devil in the form of a cat. Describe briefly about him. So just now children, I have told he was a male cat, he was a very clever criminal. He had no fear of law or the police. He escaped from scene of crime before the police arrived. Nobody can find any trace of him. He was very careless about himself, about his dusty clothes and whiskers. He used to look shabby. He moved like a snake and pretended to be asleep. He was in fact a devil in the shape of a cat. He was wicked and morally correct. Okay. How can you say that McAvity is breaking Newton's law of gravitation? I've told you children he used to hang in the air. Even the fakir and the magician, they were surprised to see him. How does McAvity baffle in the British police? Children, McAvity baffled them because they could not find him at the time of at the place of crime, though they very much knew that he is the one who has committed the crime. So other thing is also there, like children, he used to dodge them, he used to make a good escape before the police came in the scene of crime. He befooled the soldiers and the flying squid. He was an outlaw, he was a breaker of the law, he was a master in his field. He was matchless, a devil in the shape of a cat. Now describe the physical appearance of McAvity. So we can write he was tall and thin. Okay, so in this way children, this poem is completed, and thank you. I conclude my video here. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.